G'day from the Bureau with your national weather forecast around the country for Thursday, the 11th of September. And it's going to be a pretty quiet day for most of the country, but our eyes really will be focused on much of eastern parts of New South Wales and maybe into southeastern parts of Queensland as well, as this low pressure system off the Tasman Sea brings strong and gusty winds, showers and hazardous surf conditions. While elsewhere, this very large high pressure system over WA will bring in cooler and showery conditions through Tasmania, Victoria and southern South Australia. But that's going to drive cooler air well up into northern Australia, and that's going to lead to below average temperatures for much of the country. So let's look at all of that in more detail. Firstly, in the Sunshine State, you can see sunshine returning for many of our inland areas, but we could see a few clouds along coastal parts of the state and a little bit cooler to what we saw yesterday as well. Temperatures though along the coast still quite warm in the mid to high 20s, getting up into the low 30s and even mid 30s across northern parts of Queensland, but much cooler through southern and western parts with those cooler southerly winds I mentioned earlier. Lovely day in southeast Queensland on Thursday, Brisbane 25 degrees and sunny. Moving down into New South Wales, and our focus will be on this heavy rainfall from the Hunter through to Sydney and down into the Illawarra area, where we do have severe weather warnings current for heavy rainfall. And we could also see strong and gusty winds up around the northern and central tablelands as well, so watch out for that. But as you see there, that low quickly moves away during the day on Thursday. Still going to be windy and showery along the coast, but our inland areas will start drying out after what has been a wet day or so through those inland areas. And as you can see here, temperatures pretty cool as well. Temperatures in the mid to high teens through inland areas and the high teens along coastal parts as well. Sydney looking at a showery and windy 18 degrees. Canberra a few showers and 15 degrees. Moving down into Victoria, we're going to see some lingering showers and rain through eastern parts, and those southerly winds will drive just a few showers along coastal parts and southern and mountainous areas of Victoria during the day, but they will be hit and miss. While further north, across northern parts of Victoria, conditions will remain mostly dry. A cool day generally with temperatures in the low to mid-teens, showers in the south and east, but fine in the north. Melbourne looking at a cool 15 degrees with a few showers passing through from time to time. Moving down into Tasmania, and a cool day in the south but mild in the north and east, with temperatures in the low teens with showers along the west coast, but getting to the mid to high teens through northern and eastern parts of the state. Hobart looking at a partly cloudy, I'll get my hand out of the way there, partly cloudy, 15 degrees. Moving up into South Australia, and that's where high pressure is dominating after what's been a pretty wet and stormy few days. Showers will continue though along southern parts of South Australia, but again they will be hit and miss, staying dry though further north through inland parts of South Australia. Temperatures in the mid to high teens in the south, getting up to around 20 degrees in northern parts of the state. Adelaide look at a few showers and 16 degrees. Moving over into WA, high pressure dominating the weather there, so you can see dry, mild, warm and sunny weather right across the state thanks to this high pressure system. Temperatures in the low 20s through southern areas, mid 20s along the coast, and we could even get up into the 30s through northern parts of the state as well. A beautiful day in Perth tomorrow, 23 degrees with lots of sunshine. And finally, across our tropical north, pretty cool in southern parts of the NT with temperatures in the low 20s after a cold start, but still quite warm across northern areas as well, with temperatures in the mid to high 30s. Could see the odd shower and storm as well through inland parts of the top end and through parts of the Kimberley as well, so watch out for that. Otherwise, warm, dry and sunny day on the way. Darwin looking at 34 degrees with maybe the chance of an inland shower or storm during the afternoon and evening. With weather in New South Wales, make sure you stay up to date with the latest forecasts and warnings via our website and check out our severe weather video. And if you want your forecast for the rest of the week and into the weekend, you can always get that via website and the app, and we'll see you again here tomorrow.